Okay. First point, server related, where we have to install the server. That is the first one. Then the diagram, layout diagram is the second one. Then placing the hub, switch or router. Okay, this is the third thing. And the fourth maybe like they will ask where we have to place the repeater. Okay. So for this type of questions, you have to consider these points. Okay, that is the things I have given in the material. Okay, you have to go through. You have to always remember these things before solving the case study based question. Then where we have to place the modem. Then things related to wireless communication media. Okay, which media you have to choose. Then what is the device for data protection? The firewall. Okay, then internet connection based questions, they will ask economic and faster connection. Economic means you choose dial up method, faster connection means you choose broadband. Okay, then type of network, that is the last one. So type of networks, depending upon the geographical area, we are having four types, that is LAN, PAN, MAN, WAN. Okay, you can see here. So PAN means that is within a room, that is maximum distance is up to 10 meter. Okay, 10 meter means that is within a room, that's all. Okay, so that is by using a wired method, or wireless means you will use infrared rays by the help of Bluetooth technology. Okay, LAN means that is interconnecting computers, the maximum distance it covers up to 5 kilometers. Okay, the MAN also interconnecting of computers, that is connection of many LANs. It takes up to few kilometers to few hundred kilometers. Okay, that is a given maximum 200 kilometers distance. Okay, the same everything related to network only, but the names are different based on the geographical area it covers. Okay, so if it is more than 200 kilometers, that is if the network connecting from India to America means that is a very large distance. Okay, that coming under WAN, wide area network. Okay, students, everyone understood the points?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So now this is the first question. The first question I already discussed you yesterday. Okay, what is the thing? Okay, so in the right side you are getting the answers. Okay, these are the answers for first one. Okay, first question answer. See the where we have to place the server. We have to place the server in finance block. Okay, this is the answer because finance block has the most number of computers. That is the answer. Okay, then what is the layout diagram? So layout diagram, you see, uh, you have to draw all the rough work. Okay, all the possible layouts. The layout you see, this is the final layout which has lowest distance. That is 120 meter. This is the lowest distance. Okay. Then third one, best possible connectivity out of following for connecting Bangalore to London. Okay, Bangalore to London means that is a very large distance, so you have to use a satellite link. Okay, so for this only you have to consider all the points that I have given before. Okay, so then which device will be used to connect each computers in each of the building. Okay, these are the options they are giving. So each of the building means the within the single building means you have to use switch. Okay, switch is the answer. Students, everyone noted the answers for first question.
Yes, sir.
Students, I need reply from everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Still you are having
Yes,
doubts
sir.
means you just ask me now itself because these are very very important questions. Anyway, they will ask any four or five questions from that above nine related things. Okay. The idea is you have to think like that. If where we have to place the server means the idea is which block contains most number of computers. That is the idea. Okay. So depending upon the question, that answers will be different. Okay. So then second question. See the second question, I will show you the answer. So actually, this is not a correct method. You have to solve. Okay, so for the first time, I am showing the method because these are very important questions. Okay, so here they given all the things. That is Granuda consultant. They are setting up a office, having three buildings are situated in Kolkata. Okay, that is in Faridabad. They are going to connect with head office with the Kolkata. See the area that these are the things you have to consider. Okay, so the distance between every block they are given, and the distance between Faridabad and Kolkata. Okay, that is see here 1460 kilometers, very large distance. Then they given number of computers present in every block. Okay, so three blocks, and the head office means that is head office is located in Kolkata. Okay, so then what is the first question? Always the first question may be like this: most suitable place to house the server. So where we have to place the server? So in this question, building Jamuna has the most number
Yeah.
of computers. Okay, so that is the answer. Everyone understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then second question, cable layout. Layout means you just to draw the diagram. Okay, so you make all the possible things. Here you no need to consider that fourth block that is situated in the Kolkata. Okay, so you think logically, we can connect computers within a single location. Okay, if they need the layout from that local office to head office means you can draw separately. Okay, but before that they are asking means, see the question, between the building inside the campus, that is the question. Okay, inside the campus means that the campus located in Faridabad, so you have to connect only three blocks, no need for head office. Okay, so you make all the possible things. The right answer is here. Okay, so from building Ganga to building Ravi, and Ganga to Jamuna. Okay, that is the lowest distance. Okay, so then suggest the placement of following devices with the justification. So you have to tell the purpose of this device. Switch where we have to place, repeater where we have to place, like this. You have to tell the purpose. Okay, so switches means are needed in every building to share bandwidth in every building. Okay, so repeaters may be skipped as per above layout. Okay, because this considering this layout, the repeater is not needed. Okay, but where we have to place the repeater means whenever the distance is more than 100-meter, we have to place the repeater. Okay, so then see the fourth question: the high speed link with its head office situated in Kolkata using a wired connection. Okay, so here the answer given is wrong. The exact answer is optical fiber. Okay,
Optic.
wired connection means the answer is the best wired connection is optical fiber. That although I given in the that material. Okay, that the first page of this material. Okay, everyone understood? Students, second question. Students, anyone having doubts?
No, sir.
Can I get a reply? See the number of students, but no one responding. Yes. Okay, so that's all about second question. So you note down all the answers. The fourth one answer is optical fiber, not a coaxial cable. Okay, that I given a wrong answer. Okay. So then third question, we'll discuss third one. See, this is the third question. So this Fresh Mind University of India is starting its first campus in Anna Nagar of South India, with its center admission office in Kolkata. Okay, so see the diagram. This is located in South India. Okay, that may be anywhere in the South India, uh, and the center admission office in Kolkata. Kolkata, that is a uh, that is West India. West, yes. So what are the blocks means? We are having office block, science block, commerce block in 5 kilometer area campus. Okay, that is the campus. They are given a diagram. So within that, they are having a three blocks: office, commerce, science block. Okay. So as a network expert, you have to answer the following questions. Okay. So they're given the tabular column for distance between every block, and the tabular column for number of computers present in every block. Okay. So now you have to answer the questions. So what are the questions? The first question, give the layout. Okay, that is a cable layout amongst various blocks inside university campus for connecting the block. Okay, just inside the university campus. No need to connect Kolkata office. So you make all the possible things. So this is the right answer. Okay, because it has very small distance, small total distance. Everyone understood, students?
Yes, sir.
This diagram
Yes, sir.
layout, the same thing. Okay, depending upon the block name and the distance value, you have to do the rough work, make all the possible things, and find out the lowest total distance and give the exact diagram here. Okay, so then most suitable place to house the server. So server means you have to take this block, this tabular column. So where, which block contains most number of computers? Science block. Okay.
Science block.
Yes, science block. So I will expand now. So I think it will not be clear for you. Okay, now it is clear, right? Okay. So see the answers. The server question. The answer is science block. Okay. The next question. Suggest an efficient device from the following to be installed in each computer of block to connect all the computers. Okay. That is what is the exact question? Each of the block to connect all the computers. Okay, so each of the block means that is within a single block they are asking. Okay, not in between two blocks. So the your answer should be switch. Okay,
Switch.
yes, switch is the answer. Okay, so then suggest the most suitable service to provide data connectivity between admission office located in Kolkata and campus located in Ananagar. That is South India to Kolkata. Okay, so that is very large distance. So with the options given, which one is the most efficient one that you have to choose? So see the options. So with this, we are having only the satellite connection will give you the best connectivity. Okay, so your answer should be satellite. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that you have to answer like satellite connection. Okay, this is how you have to answer every question. Okay, so anyway you will get only one question, that is one case study. So I'm giving you the different types of questions they will ask. Okay, so then the fourth question, you see quick learn university is setting up its academic block at Prayag Nagar. The university has three academic blocks and a human resource center. Okay, totally four blocks. Okay, so see here, 3 plus 1 4 blocks are here. So they given the content like distance, that is center to center distance, and number of computers present in every block. Okay, they given all the three contents. This is three is enough. Now you have to ready with the questions. You have to consider all the things. Okay, see the question. So first one, suggest the most suitable place to install the server. So see here, which one? HR center.
HR center.
Yes, HR center. Right. Then second question, ideal layout. The most common questions will be the first three. Okay. The server and the layout and the switch. The fourth question may be any one. Okay. That will differ from every question. Okay. Mostly the same questions will come. Students, everyone understood? So you have to draw the diagram by using star topology. You make all the possible things and draw the lowest total distance. Okay, Then which device you will suggest to place install in each of this block to efficiently connect all the computers within this block. So within this block means within a single building. Okay, you have to understand the question. Okay, sometimes they will confuse you, so don't confuse with interconnecting two blocks. Okay, this is within the block means within single building. So what is the device? You use switch. Okay, switch is the answer. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the fourth question. The university is planning to connect its admission office in the closest big city, which is more than 250 kilometer from university. So which type of network is formed from the following? You see LAN, MAN or WAN. So 250 kilometers means which type of network?
WAN, sir.
WAN. Yes, WAN type. Okay, LAN means that will be up to 5 kilometers. MAN means maximum 200 kilometers. More than that means you choose WAN. Okay, WAN because it is in another city. I already given the explanation of WAN also, that is interconnecting two cities. You can connect two states, two countries, and you can connect continents. Okay, that is a future of WAN. Okay, understood, everyone? The fourth question.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So then the last one, fifth one, that is a Tech Up Corporation is a professional consultancy company. The corporation is planning to set up their new office in India with its hub at Hyderabad. Okay, the hub means that is a uh, branch. Okay, like that branch. The you have you as a network administrator advisor, you have to answer the following. They're given all the contents like number of blocks and the block to block distance and number of computers present in every block. Okay, the same thing. They will give all the things and they will ask you a question. You have to keep everything in the mind before answering. Okay, the first question as usual. So you will get where to place the server. Okay, where to place the server. So this human resource has the most number of computers, so you have to place server in human resource block. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then draw a block to block cable layout. So you do all the possible layouts and give the efficient one. Okay, so which one has the lowest distance, you give the diagram. Okay, that is the answer. Then what will be the best possible connectivity out of following? That is they can connect Bangalore to London. Okay, Bangalore to London, we have already discussed this. You see, you have to use, that is a very long distance means you have to use satellite link.
Satellite link.
Yes, satellite link is the answer. Okay, then the fourth question. So which of the following device will be suggested you to connect each computer in each of the building? Okay, always asking the same question. The each of the single, that is a single within the single building means you have to choose switch.
Switch.
Yes. Okay, students, everyone understood? Any doubts? So I have given these 5 case study questions. Now we have discussed. Okay, so now what you are going to do is again you solve it by your own and submit to me. Okay, you are having marks for everything. Okay, students, everyone listen, you are having internal marks 30. Okay, that will be like don't think we will get everything in the practical. Okay, so you will get some internal marks. Okay, so you that I will consider your internal mark as your assignment work, classwork notes, and whatever the test you are writing, that is class test, weekly test, that cumulative test, everything will be considered for the internal marks. Okay, so i I request everyone to submit this assignment before tomorrow. Okay, students, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everyone work out. I will not share you the answers now. I just discussed everything. Okay, so again you go through. There is nothing. That is, sir, you already discussed everything. Why we have to submit? Don't ask like this. You try to solve everything. Okay, you have to practice by your own. So try to practice and submit all the answers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to do the layout? Okay. So, okay. So one question for this first question, I will do this layout diagram. Okay, how to do the layout? Okay, this is for Kavishri. She is asking doubts. Yes, Kavishri.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, whatever the doubt if you are having means you can ask me. Okay, no, nothing issues. I can explain you any number of times. Only if you are asking the doubt. Okay, so I will show you the diagram how to draw the layout. Okay. So everyone, the screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
So are you able to see the paint window,
Yes,
students?
sir.
Yes. Okay. Uh, okay. So for this question, okay, students, everyone consider this question. Okay, this is the question. Okay, so for layout diagram, so you have to consider the number of blocks and uh, distance between every block. Okay, these are the two things you have to consider. Okay, so first I will give all the possible ways how to draw the possible things. Okay, the first one I will draw. Okay, the first option HR. Okay, HR to conference. Okay, so then conference to finance. Okay, everyone understood? HR to conference and conference to
Yes,
finance.
sir.
This is the first thing. So what is the distance between HR to conference?
110.
Yes, 110. Okay. Then conference to finance?
80.
Yes, 80. Okay. So this is the distance. So now what is the total distance? 110 plus 80
190.
means you will get 190 for this network. Okay. Total 190. Okay. So now we will go for second possible. What will be the second possible? For this time you take conference. That's the first thing. Conference to finance. Okay. Then finance to HR. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
now what is the distance? Conference to finance is 80.
80.
Yes. Finance to HR 40. Okay. Finance to HR or HR to finance, both the distance will be same, right? Don't confuse.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be the total distance now?
120.
80 plus 40, 120. Okay. So now the third possible. That is the final possible. Now you have to start from finance block. Finance to HR. Okay. Then HR to conference. So what is the distance now? 40. HR to conference 110. Okay. So what is the total distance now?
150.
Yes,
150 meter.
150. Okay. Students, everyone understood?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
in this third stand, instead of HR, we can give conference also, sir.
Finance to conference. Then
To
conference to,
HR, sir.
that is will be like first
HR.
option. Okay, that is like first option. That will not be different from first one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to make
sir.
three different things. Okay, so this first one, this is different. Okay, this is the first possible. Then this is second one, second possible. Third, different possible. Okay, these are the three different layouts. Okay, you have to draw neatly. Okay, I just given in everything in the paint that is like this. Okay, so from this you have to compare all the distance and select the lowest distance. Okay, so what are the distance you are having? So total distance 190,
190,
120 and 150.
120,
Uh,
150,
yes, which one is the lowest one?
120,
Yes,
120.
120 is the lowest one. So your answer should be this one. Conference to finance, finance to HR, right? This is how you have to draw the layout diagram. Every time you have to do all the possible things. Your answer should be only this second option, not every answer. Okay, students, everyone
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Students, everyone understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, for this only this question you will take some time to solve. Okay, remaining all the questions are very easy. Okay, in the case study, the only that layout diagram will take the time. Okay, that too, if our practice daily means you will get answer very quickly. Okay, without doing the possible thing also, you can easily select from the tabular column. That is easy. Okay, students understood?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubts, students? And one
No,
more
sir.
thing, students, is daily our class is a recording, and every day they are posting in a YouTube. Okay, so YouTube channel, you know the name, SKV Vidyasram. Okay, so if you are having any doubts, even after finishing the class, also you can go for the YouTube channel and you clear your doubts. Okay, not only my subject, every subject they are posting in a YouTube channel. Everyone understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
you should avail everything. So, sir, if sir, I am leave, sir, don't tell any excuses. Okay, everything available in the internet. You can ask me doubts also, personal doubts. Okay, so anytime you can ask me whatever the doubts, and you can avail that internet, that YouTube version for recalling all the concepts. If still you are having doubts, means you can ask me anytime. Okay, I am always ready. Okay, students, so we have
Yes,
completed
sir.
the first chapter of computer networks. I am asking everyone to submit the assignment before tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay, then we will start next chapter from tomorrow. Okay, so that's all.
Yes,
We are
sir.
having only less than 1 minute time. So thank you everyone. Thank you. Try to solve everything and submit the assignment and complete all the classworks. Okay, so tomorrow is a Saturday. You have to submit the classwork note also. Right? Every week you have to submit the classwork notes. Understood, everyone?
Sir,
Yes.
so this assignment we can do in classwork itself, sir.
Yes, you can do it in classwork note also.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everything you write in the same note. Okay, you can continue. Nothing. Everything will be like useful for revision purpose. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you. See you tomorrow next class. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Yes, thank you.